Most CRM tools are expensive and complicated to manage, but without a proper system, leads get lost and follow ups are missed. To solve this, I built a sample CRM system using Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect that automatically stores leads and sends WhatsApp follow ups. In this video, I will show you how to build your own CRM so you can manage leads efficiently without paying for expensive tools. First, I will show you how leads are captured and tracked automatically, and then we will build the entire CRM system step by step inside our Pabbly Connect account. Now, to show you the demo, I just have to fill up a property inquiry form that I have created inside my Jot form account. Then you will see that instantly all the details that I will add there will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet, and on my WhatsApp account I will instantly receive a follow-up message also. Let us quickly fill up this form. In here I will add my personal details. After adding my personal details for this interested property, I have selected 2 BHK apartment. Then for this budget range, I have selected between 50 lakh to 75 lakh. Now I'll just click on this request property details. Then you will see that instantly all the details that I've added here will get added as a new row inside my Google Sheet. Here these details are added successfully. Now we just have to open our WhatsApp account to see if we have received any follow-up message or not. I'll open my WhatsApp account and you can see I have successfully received this follow-up message. Hello Raghav, thank you for your interest in our 2 BHK apartment. Our property advisor will contact you shortly with full details and pricing. If you have any question, feel free to reply here anytime. Horizon Nest Reality. So this was the demo of the workflow that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account, and you just saw how quickly all the details of my client got added as a new row inside my Google Sheet, and also my client received a follow-up message. So this was my demo. Now I will help you also create the exact same workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account so that you can also create a personal CRM for yourself with the help of Pabbly Connect. To start creating this workflow, go on a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will get directed inside this landing page of Pabbly Connect, where in the top right corner you will get these two different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on the sign up free button to create your free account, where you will get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of these tasks, you can easily create some workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account for free. But if you want to create more workflows, then you can simply upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly by purchasing yearly or lifetime subscription plan of Pabbly. If you are purchasing your subscription, then don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT to get an exciting discount on our plans. But if you have already bought your subscription, click on the sign in button and get directed inside the all apps page of Pabbly. From here, you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. From here, as we are going to use Pabbly Connect today, so we have to click on this access now button to get inside this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In here on the top right corner, you will get this button create workflow, by clicking on which you can start creating your workflow. On the left side we have this folders. By clicking on this plus button, we can create folder for ourselves, and in that folder we can store our workflows to stay organized. Now we will click on this create workflow button. Then from here we have to select among these two different workflow builders. First one is our new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and the other one is our classic version. Both of these are amazing workflow builders. You can select any one of them as per your preference, but as per my familiarity with this new beta version, I will select this. Next, inside this dialog box, I have to give a meaningful name to my workflow. I will name my workflow as this Horizon Nest Google Sheets CRM automation. From here we have to select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. Next we have to press this create button. After that, inside this new page, we can start creating our workflow by integrating multiple applications. At first we have to select our trigger application. For that, as I have created a form inside my Jot form application, that's why I have to click on this plus button, and in here I have to search for Jot form as my trigger application, with the help of which I am going to trigger my workflow. But if you have used any other application to create your form, you can also search for that application and select it here. For this application event, we have to select this new response. Next we have to press this connect button. After that, we have received this webhook URL, so we have to copy this from here, and next we have to follow the steps given here to successfully integrate this webhook URL inside our Jot form account. For that, inside my Jot form account, I have created this form, and you can see at first you have to create your form. After that, from this settings, you have to select this integration. Then in here, you just have to search for the webhook inside the search box. You have to select this webhook from here. Then in here, you have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from our Pabbly Connect account. Next, press this complete integration button, and again you have to click on this finish button visible here. So I'll click on this, and my integration is successful. Now I just have to publish this this form. Our form is published. So now I'll open this form in a new tab, and then we will fill up our form to successfully send a response inside our Pabbly Connect account. Now inside this form, I will quickly add my personal details. For this interested property, I will select this commercial office. For this budget range, I will select 1 CR plus. Now I just have to press this request property details button. You will see that instantly all the details that I have shared here will get captured as a new response inside my Pabbly Connect account. I'll open my Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see we are still waiting. Instantly I have successfully received this response with every detail that I have added inside my form. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now I want that as soon as all these details are captured here, I want to store them as a new row inside my Google Sheet that I have created as a CRM. So to add details inside this Google Sheet, in here we have to select our next action application as this Google Sheet. So I have selected this. Now for this application event, I'll select this add new row because I want to add a new row inside my Google Sheet. We have to press this connect button. You will receive again these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. To create a connection for the first time, you have to go with this add new connection. But if you have already established a connection, you can go with this select existing connection. But right now I will show you how to create a first time connection. That's why I will select this add new connection, and then I have to press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect has detected my account, so I will select my account from here. Then inside the next page, I'll just scroll down and click on this continue button to successfully create my connection. You can see my connection is created successfully. Here I just have to add these following details to successfully add a new row inside my Google Sheet. First of all, I have to select this spreadsheet and sheet. Inside my Google Sheet, you can see the name of my spreadsheet is worksheet and the name of my sheet is leads. That's why inside my Pabbly Connect account, for this spreadsheet, we will select this worksheet. Next, for this sheet, in here we have to select this leads. You can see as I have selected this, Pabbly Connect has successfully detected all the columns that I have created inside my sheet. Now we just have to fill up these details one by one, and to fill them we are going to take help of mapping, because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will enter these details manually, like if I will enter the name of my customer manually, then that particular field will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why to allow our data to get changed automatically, we will take help of mapping. To map data, you just have to press the slash button. Then from this drop down, you can easily select the value which you want to map here. In here, we want to map the name of my client. You can see this is the name of my client, Raju Kumar. So I just have to click on this to successfully map it. And you can see first name is mapped. Now I will also search for the last name of my customer and I'll map it. Next, here we have to map the phone number of my client. So for that also, I have to press the slash button, search for the number given by my customer and select it to map it. For this property also, I will just search for the property selected by my customer and I'll map it. Now lastly, I will also map the budget as this 1 CR. You can see this is the budget selected by my customer. So I have also selected it and it got mapped successfully. Next, I just have to press this save and send test request button. You will see that instantly inside my Google Sheet, a new row has got added successfully. This means that my action application Google Sheet is also working fine. Next, we have to send a follow-up message to our client, which we are going to send to their WhatsApp account, and for that I will take help of Pabbly Chat Flow. So we have to click on this plus button here, select Pabbly Chat Flow as our next action application. Then for this application event, we have to select this send text message. Next, we have to press this connect button. You will see that again we have received these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also I'll select this add new connection. Now in here I have to add this token. To get this token, I have to log in inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow. For that, you have to click on this hyperlink given here. After that, from this all apps page of Pabbly, you just have to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow by clicking on this button. So I have clicked on this and you will see that instantly I will get directed inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow. Inside the dashboard, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chat Flow in order to use Pabbly Chat Flow. And to add your WhatsApp number, you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chat Flow. After you have added your WhatsApp number, these settings will be accessible to you. So inside these settings, you have to select this API and webhook. From here, just copy this API token and paste it inside your Pabbly Connect accounts token box and press this save button to successfully create a connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect. Here you can see my connection is created successfully. Now I just have to fill up these details to successfully send a WhatsApp message to my client. For that, first of all, I will map the WhatsApp number shared by my customer like this. You can see I have mapped it. Inside this message box, I will add the message which I want to send to my customer. I have added this static text. Now to make this message more user specific, I will map some of the details selected by my customer. First of all, in front of this hello, I will map the name of my customer by searching it from this drop down. So you can see my customer has provided me the name Raju, so I will search for this and I will select it. Next, for this thank you for your interest in our, in front of this text, I will map the property type selected by my customer. So for that, I will search for this commercial office and I'll just select it. Here you can see I have mapped these details. Now at last, I just have to map the name of my customer. So I will again search for the name of my customer. I have selected the first name. I will also search for the last name and I will select it. I have successfully mapped all of these following details. Now I just have to press this save and send test request button. Then you will see that instantly this message will get sent to my customer. I have received my response as success. This means that a message is sent successfully to my customer. I'll open my WhatsApp account and in here you can see I have successfully received this message with my name on it. This means that the workflow that I have created here is working all fine. With this, I have successfully created how you can create this Google Sheet CRM automation for yourself inside your Pabbly Connect account. Just like this, you can also create this CRM automation for yourself with the help of Pabbly Connect. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. If you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there. And if you get any doubt while using this workflow or while creating this workflow on your own, you can ask your doubt in the comment box. My team will instantly reply you. And just a quick reminder that if you consider to go premium, don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT available in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching this video till end. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.